On behalf of the people of Sallaxley District City Administration and the local government, I hereby present to you that we are glad to be here to show you our full support for the discussion held by the Parliament of Britain on the well-deserved recognition of my country, Somaliland. As the Deputy Mayor of District, I would like to express and send my sincere gratitude and appreciation to Mr. Gavin Williamson, the man who dared to carry our cause to the House of Commons. Dear Sir Gavin, thank you again and again. To the international community, I would like to address that Somaliland has fulfilled whatsoever it takes a country to be fully recognized. We have our own borders guided by our forces, land, sea, and or air. We have our constitution, fully operated system of government, and above all, an electoral democratic system which has not been seen in any other part of Africa. Democracy, progress, and security here. Somaliland is early sun shining in conflicted region of the Horn. This beautiful story has started since we regained our nation from Somalia in 1991. Me and the other millions of people will continue pursuing our long-dreamed ambition of recognition. Somaliland needs to be recognized more than anything, and we will continue being after it till the end. At the last, I would like to send a special message. At the last, I would like to send a special message to the British government using the exact words of Mr. Williamson. Our nation have a long historic ties, and now it is the time to make historic together. Thank you very much.